Hi, and welcome to Crash Course U.S. History, a course that approximately follows the AP U.S. History curriculum as it appeared in 2013. And even though we call it U.S. History, we do begin before any Europeans show up in North America. From the 15th century, we'll take you through every beat of the country's history until we reach Barack Obama's presidency. This will include all the well-known events. We'll learn about the Revolutionary War, the Civil War, women's suffrage, the World Wars, civil rights, and so on. But we'll introduce you to some lesser-known events and people as well. We'll do that via primary sources that do a deep dive into how people were reacting to the time period they were living through. We'll also consider who was given the privilege to have their reactions recorded. Because when citizens are marginalized based on class, gender, or race, that history isn't just history. It touches every part of the present. So we'll learn it all together and try to make sense of the United States' complicated history. Oh, and if John gets the mystery document wrong, he'll be shocked. Literally.